G'day guys, Matt here from F.S.A Sessions Australia. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fit up a set of bushskinz 4x4 underbody protection. Now, everyone kind of forgets that the bash plates that come on these are super thin, and if you're doing upper four-wheel drive, you've got to do underneath as well. So I've gone with bushskinz. I'm mates with Kieran, and he's done every one of my cars in the past, and I've absolutely loved them. So let's check them out. Here they are guys, here's the front, the sump, transmission and transfer. So we'll rip off all the stock plates and then we'll get these ones up underneath. It's one thing I do have to hand Mazda, Ford, same thing. At least they've got protection under there. Like their plates aren't thick, don't get me wrong, they're thin as, there's nothing to them. But at least it's got a sump, it had a front, and it also had a tranny, where I know my Nissan had none of the above. So to be going to these, there's nothing going through them. Look at the thickness of them. Good quality plate. Yeah, it's adding a little bit of weight to the vehicle, but I'm definitely not worried about that because the protection is what I'm all about. So it comes with all the bolts you need. Once again, I'm going to do my favourite little trick and put Loctite on them all before I put them under, and we'll start bolting up the plates. Two bottom ones in, just to hold the plate up. Change that, so put your sump on first, not your front. Okay, two more bolts, which we'll probably want to stick the tranny on them next. So being how big and awkward and heavy this one is, I'm just going to chuck it on the jack and slide her under, and we'll jack her up once she's in place. Plates up the joint. I like to have my sump overlay them, makes it a bit easier to get off because it actually slides in at the back here, so you can flop it down to drop the oil. So let's do the others. So this plate just picks them up off the chassis, lay it obviously back down here. Here's a bit of jiggling, but got there in the end. Now I'll do them all up. There you have it, plates all fitted up, everything went together with these. Good Aussie made product. Absolutely love these guys. Dealt with them for years. As I said back at the start, they were the first guys to jump on board when we started doing F.S.A Sessions Australia. So stoked to have them back under the rig. And let me tell you, they cop some abuse, and I can't wait to show you what these plates can take. Anyway guys, have an awesome afternoon, morning, whenever you're watching this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll bring you more videos soon. Have a good one.